If you're planning a bathroom remodel in Los Angeles, the first question on your mind is probably, how much is this going to cost me? And the honest answer is, it depends. But today I'm going to break down exactly what drives the cost, give you real price ranges, and help you figure out where your project falls. Let's start with the big picture. In Los Angeles, a bathroom remodel typically falls into three categories: a basic refresh, new paint, updated fixtures, maybe a new vanity, will run you somewhere between $3,000 and $8,000. This is ideal if the layout is fine and you just want a cleaner, more modern look. A mid-range remodel, where you're replacing the tub or shower, installing new tile, upgrading the vanity, and possibly updating the plumbing fixtures, usually costs between $15,000 and $35,000. This is the most common range for homeowners in LA who want a real transformation without going over the top. And then there's the high-end full gut remodel. We're talking custom tile work, frameless glass shower enclosures, heated floors, premium fixtures, maybe even moving walls or plumbing. In Los Angeles, this can range from $40,000 to $75,000 or more, depending on the size and complexity. Now let's talk about what actually drives these numbers. Labor is a big one. In LA, skilled tradespeople, plumbers, electricians, tile setters, charge more than in most parts of the country. Labor alone can account for 40 to 50% of your total budget. And if your home was built before 1978, you may need LEED or asbestos abatement, which adds another $2,000 to $5,000. Materials are the other major factor. A basic ceramic tile might cost $2 to $3 per square foot, while a natural stone or large format porcelain can run $15 to $25 per square foot, and that's just the material before installation. The same goes for vanities, fixtures, and countertops. The range between builder grade and premium is massive. Permits are another cost people forget about. In Los Angeles, a bathroom remodel that involves plumbing or electrical work will require permits. Budget around $500 to $1,500 for permit fees, and keep in mind that permitted work protects your investment and keeps everything up to code. Here's a quick cost breakdown for a typical mid-range bathroom remodel in LA. Demolition and disposal, $800 to $2,000. Plumbing, $2,000 to $5,000. Electrical, $1,000 to $3,000. Tile and flooring, $3,000 to $8,000. Vanity and countertop, $1,500 to $5,000. Shower or tub, $2,000 to $6,000. Paint and finishing, $500 to $1,500. Fixtures and accessories, $500 to $2,000. Permits and inspections, $500 to $1,500. Add it all up and you're looking at roughly $12,000 to $35,000 for a solid mid-range remodel. One thing I always tell my clients, don't forget about the hidden costs. Things like water damage behind walls, outdated plumbing that needs replacing, or subfloor issues. A good contractor will build a 10 to 15% contingency into your estimate to handle surprises. So what's the smartest way to approach your bathroom remodel budget? Start by getting at least 2 to 3 detailed estimates from licensed, insured contractors. Make sure the estimate breaks down labor, materials, permits, and contingencies separately. Ask about their warranty and what happens if unexpected issues come up. And here's the most important advice. Don't just go with the cheapest bid. In Los Angeles, you get what you pay for. A contractor who cuts corners on waterproofing or tile installation will cost you much more in the long run when things start failing. If you're thinking about remodeling your bathroom in Los Angeles, I hope this gave you a clear picture of what to expect. Every project is different, but now you have the numbers to start planning with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below if you have any questions about your project. I'm happy to help.